How we shot this week.
Oh my
What
god.
are you guys doing? You're
We're
checking me out.
admiring ourselves.
But then at least let's correct the date, which is now
5th June.
5th June.
Hai jawani to.
So today we are at this beautiful property of PVR Inox and we are going to be exclusively watching our trailer.
Wow. I'm
You know what's
excited.
missing, right?
What's missing?
What's missing?
We need some popcorn, guys.
And cola. I think
Yeah.
we
Okay.
don't function without
I'm gonna
it.
get some salted caramel. Let's
These colas you all both
I
ordered.
got my cola.
Yeah.
I want my
Your
popcorn.
पैसे दिए
Should we
इन्होंने?
go?
हाँ?
पैसे दिए ना
See, we
Tell
paid,
them.
we paid. ऐसा नहीं कि पैसे नहीं दिए. Okay,
Pardon?
before both these girls shouted me, I want you all to know that today we are not watching our trailer alone. We are watching it with PVR Inox's MJ, which
Oh,
is
hey,
which is their
wow.
movie jockey.
Oh.
Yeah, so I think people have liked the trailer quite a bit, but Pooja, you've been
Let's
busy
see.
shooting 18 films and you are shooting 16 films, so उसमें busy हो
Let's
गए.
see what
We have
MJ
to
I'm
go
sure
in.
the trailer is going to be wow.
It's gonna be wow. Come, ladies.
Ladies first.
Damn excited about
Ready,
this.
super ready.
Yeah, ready?
I'm ready with my popcorn.
Ready.
लगाओ यार.
Let's go.
Hi guys, welcome to PVR Inox at the movies watch party.
Hi MJ.
Hi MJ.
What's up, MJ?
Varun, Mrinal, Pooja, hope you're ready to watch the trailer.
Very excited.
Very
with the
Very, very.
popcorns.
Especially to watch it on the big screen.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Since we're talking about the big screen experience, what's your very first memory of going to the movies?
So my first cinema memory, our school had taken us for Jo Jeeta Wahi Sikandar, and I still remember so, like when Amir sir overtakes that cycle in the end and he goes ahead, all the school kids were getting so excited and clapping and
So I remember I think my mom was not well. My father took both the girls out and we went to watch Border. It was crazy
It was-
because the entire theatre was packed and that time I remember my mom had given me poha.
Sweet, isn't it? So sweet.
It was very sweet.
For me, I think I remember watching Kuch Kuch Hota Hai because we weren't a very like filmy family. Like watching films in the theaters was like an event.
Okay, MJ, now can we please watch our trailer?
ऐसी लव स्टोरी और ऐसी शादी तो हमने ना पहले कभी देखी थी ना कभी सुनी थी। Is he too timing you?
नो
फिजिकल वायलेंस का मामला है, मारता वारता है तुम्हें,
नो
तुमसे प्यार नहीं करता।
बहुत ज्यादा प्यार करता है ही वॉन्ट्स टू मेक लव टू मी ऑल द टाइम
क्योंकि मुझे एक बच्चा चाहिए सर आई वांट टू बी अ फादर
Wait, तो ये love story actually starts with a divorce. Bold choice. When you guys first heard the script, क्या reaction था? Wow, this is amazing. Yeah, how are we going to pull this off?
So,
Technically, I didn't know the story because it's David G.
Okay.
And
But you heard it at some point.
after I signed the film, but it was so fantastic because to be able to act with Varun and the concept is so funny.
For me, actually, when I heard the concept for the first time, I was like, my God.
Yeah,
I was
how
like,
is he gonna
you know,
do
there've been so many films that my dad has done of one guy and two girls and, you know, that zone. But this was about two pregnancies at the same time. So that scared me a little bit, having just seen my wife deliver. So just having seen one person deliver, I was like, how on earth is it possible?
So is it not just the
to-
girl, but the babies also?
Yeah,
Not just
that the
woman.
delivery bit was like crazy.
Too much.
Was quite crazy.
I mean, I think for me, it was just a fun film and it was a typical David Dhawan
Correct.
style
Film,
film.
that's true.
And for me, what was really bizarre is that I've seen these beautiful heroines like, you know, Sushmita and Karishma be his heroines and then I've danced on his songs. So I feel like for me, it was like, oh my God, I'm going to be a David Dhawan heroine, which was like a really surreal moment for me because I never thought I would get into films. So for me, it was more about that and being able to play that because I know you've done this genre many times, but you guys haven't seen me do this genre.
एक्सक्यूज मी बानी
याद है ना आई एम स्टिल योर वाइफ
वैसे तुम यहाँ क्या कर रही हो
आई एम प्रेग्नेंट
कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस हुज द बॉय
आई एम प्रेग्नेंट
पर मैंने प्रोटेक्शन यूज किया था
हाँ तो प्रोटेक्शन फेल हो गया
अरे ऐसे कैसे फेल हो सकता है प्रोटेक्शन का काम है प्रोटेक्ट करना
This is giving full-on comedy with perfect timing. But how did you guys crack that timing and get into your characters?
We had so much fun actually, to be honest. You remember the climax scene?
Oh, that was, oh my
Timing
God.
had to be perfect, and it was, you know, there were times where we would just crack on our own jokes.
But I do remember Pooja's first day because we started shooting initially and Pooja had you had come from some other film?
Film.
Yeah.
It comes from another film and she's like, 1 minute, wait.
Yeah.
What is going on?
What is going on? I'm like, you guys have been
Can you
in this
slow
for
this
a
down?
while. I just need to get into it. But I think what I've realized with David Sir is he loves improv.
Yeah.
And I didn't realize that till the end, because in the start I would get really scared. And I think by the climax and stuff, I realized that if he likes it, he'll continue to roll. So then I kept adding something.
वहाँ पे पानी ठीक से नहीं आ रहा है तुम यहाँ पे ना हो ना जाओ खेलो कूदो शैम्पू पी जाओ यहाँ पे पीप वहाँ पे पानी मैं क्या करूँ पानी
बैग पर्स किसका है
किसका है किसका है किसका है किसका है
किसका है?
किसका है किसका है इसका है आउच इसका है
सेट पे सबसे मिस्chievous कौन था? And who was the one saying, guys, please focus? I'm not naming names, but Varun, you're looking slightly guilty right now.
Yeah.
Was it?
It was Varun.
Yeah, it was
Varun.
I thought I was the most like
Varun has
stressed out.
bullied me the most.
No chance.
Bullied you?
Varun has now see these two women. How do I deal with
Yeah.
Exactly. This is what the film is all about.
He'll come with this
Amazing.
innocent Sida Swami types banke.
Swami.
Yeah, but you know, he
Really turning out to be some other kind of interview.
puja, and he just go randomly.
Yeah.
I have to just say, if you have such two pretty and beautiful co-stars,
You get bullied.
you have to stay inspired and you have to stay in character throughout.
इसकी माँ की टिकट कराओ
माँ की आँख नहीं पूरी की पूरी माँ चाहिए निरूपा रॉय जैसी
I love how nobody here is playing safe. Even the casting said, let's have fun. What was it like working with such a great cast?
Amazing, I think working with legends like Rakesh Bedi, Chunky Sir is part of this film, and my favorite Manish Paul is part of this film. Rajesh Ji, Jimmy Shergill, working with him is amazing. I've always loved his work.
Manish Paul and Varun have better chemistry than all of us put together. Every time it would be Manish Paul.
Yeah.
No, but I really enjoyed working with
sweetheart.
Jimmy Sir and Moni as well.
Together.
It was
The
just
entire
good
team.
fun with the entire cast.
Yeah.
David Sir has defined mainstream comedy for decades. How was it working with him?
I think what surprised me about him is how fast he shoots.
Yeah.
He knows
Yeah.
his edit really well. So I think he was the youngest of us mentally.
You all have such a good personal relationship with him. You all got along very well with him, whatever masti and talks. Yeah.
Oh my god, I
In-
felt like it was a family,
in
fam
s-
jam.
When we were shooting one song, Tera Ho Jao, so Pooja has actually come for many family dinners of me, my mom and my dad where we are fighting.
It was just so funny
And
because
she's
they
like-
were just fighting.
And she's just watching it like TV.
And David so wants to
Entertainment.
eat something and Varun's always like, Papa, no, Papa, no, Papa.
So this was pretty exciting.
Yeah, it was really good.
You know, the big screen changes everything. It's the best place and the best way to watch a movie.
But our film is releasing
So-
5th June, guys. When?
Let's go to the
5th
theatre
June,
and
June.
watch it.
So see you at the theatres because we'll be there.
Woohoo!